Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Glad to have you here. It's now July 2025 and we're going to be talking about MyEcon's Celebration 20.5, which is going on. It started in April of 2025 and it's running through October 3rd. So we're right in the middle of this Celebration 20.5 that they're doing. Now, why would MyEcon have a Celebration 20.5? And why is it such a weird name? Just so you know, MyEcon has been in business for 20 years. 20 years is a long time for a company to be in business, especially in the financial success business like MyEcon is. So they've been around and they wanted to take the time to celebrate that event by having this promotion that they're doing, which is for all of their affiliates right now. It's an extra way to reward all of the affiliates. So they called it Celebration 20.5, and they've got some amazing things going on for those of us that are affiliates with MyEcon. I wanted to share this with you so that you guys can have the chance to take advantage of this too, because this is pretty amazing. First of all, how many companies do you know that have been in the multi-level marketing business, in the online affiliate business? How many companies do you know that have affiliates that have been around for 20 years? Not very many, right? MyEcon is among a handful of companies that have been around for even over 10 years. And so they wanted to make sure that they celebrate this momentous occasion, and they keep growing and changing and rolling with all the new things that come out. So they want to celebrate their affiliates and make it even easier for you guys, for all of us, for anyone who wants to be an affiliate with MyEcon, to make even more money. So let's look at some of these slides here. Rank up to bank up. This is the first slide in their little presentation here. What is this talking about? Well, it's talking about ranking up inside of MyEcon. Inside MyEcon, there are only 4 levels that you can reach within the company. There is Gold, there's Platinum, there's EVP Infinity, and CEO Infinity. CEO Infinity is the top rank you can reach within the company. And for this presentation, for this Celebration 20.5 that they're doing, they have changed the rank up levels, the requirements needed for you to be able to rank up inside the company. So just looking right here, the first one, EVP Gold, you need 2 personally enrolled active members to reach that level within the company. That's only 2 people that you enroll personally, 2 people that you bring on that stay active with the company, and that gets you to the level of EVP Gold, the very first level within the company. EVP Platinum, this is the next level, moving up inside the company. That takes 2 personally enrolled active members, so just like with EVP Gold up here, 2 personally enrolled active members, and then 10 active team members, counting no more than 3 from any direct marketing line. So that's just saying that you can personally sponsor 10 people. You can have other people sponsor some of the people. In other words, you are helping other people to sponsor people as well. So when you reach 10 people active total on your team, only 10 people on your team, you're at the level of EVP Platinum. Now we're going to look in a little bit at what that means for you financially when you reach the level of Platinum. But to get to the next level, EVP Infinity, you need 2 personally enrolled active members, just like the others, and 38 active team members, okay? Again, you can sponsor most of these, all of these. You can have your team sponsor a lot of these, and you just need 2 for yourself. So, and your teammates could actually sponsor the other 36 people to get to 38 on your team, and you have reached the rank of EVP Infinity, okay? CEO Infinity, the top rank within the company, 2 personally enrolled active members, 200 active members on your team, okay? So again, with the 2 active members, that's just standard for every rank within the company, and only 200 people active on your team to reach the top rank within the company. Now, those of you that have been in multi-level marketing, direct marketing, affiliate marketing, any of these things. Can you think of a company that is letting you reach the top rank at the company with only 200 active people on your team? You reach the top rank at only 200 people? That's like unheard of. That's crazy. You guys, this is amazing stuff that they're doing. You can reach the top rank in the company with 200 people on your team. Only 200 people. That's not that many. Really, it's quite amazing. But let's take a look now at the fast cash flow builder bonus, which is what this celebration 20.5 and the idea of bringing more money in for you as an affiliate is all about. Okay, so this fast cash flow builder bonus, for that you earn your regular upfront commission when you personally enroll a new member. We'll look at those commissions in just a moment here. But you're earning the regular commission that you normally would. Plus, you're going to start receiving a bonus of $7.50 each time you personally recruit a new member that pays their first monthly renewal payment on time. Now, let's break that down a little bit. MyEcon is a membership-based business where you enroll for your digital financial membership and the products that are involved in that membership. And you renew your membership each month, just like you renew your Netflix or your Walmart Plus or your Amazon Prime or whatever it might be. You're renewing that membership each month. And when you renew your membership with MyEcon, when the people that you sponsor renew their membership, you, as their sponsor, are receiving a bonus. Okay? So for this promotion that they're doing, it's a $7.50 bonus for each person that you've recruited, that you brought into MyEcon. When they pay their first monthly renewal, then you are receiving an extra $7.50. Okay? So it says to qualify for the bonuses, the new member must enroll during this celebration 20.5 promotional period, which, as we talked about, is going on right now, started back in April and is running through October 3rd. Okay? And here is an amazing part too. You can earn unlimited bonuses, upfront commissions, overrides, and DTR. Now, DTR, that's Dream Team residuals, residual income. That's what monthly memberships are all about, is residual income, passive income that you earn just by people renewing their memberships. And so that's what I was talking about when it mentions DTR. I do have another video that goes over the entire compensation plan and kind of explains this in greater detail. But that's just a quick explanation for you. But to highlight this here, it's unlimited. You can earn unlimited. So if you sponsor one person, you can earn your upfront commission and $7.50 when they renew their membership. You can sponsor 100 people and you earn the commissions and the bonuses. You can sponsor 500 people and you receive the upfront commissions and the $7.50 bonus when they renew their monthly membership. That's amazing. It's crazy. It's an amazing opportunity. If you are looking to get some real cash flow going from building a team, this is the plan that you want to be taking advantage of. This is the thing that is going to help you reach some serious cash flow from team building. Okay, and now we're going to look at this last slide, which says best payout in the industry. Now, I mentioned to you that we were going to go over what you receive as an upfront commission for people enrolling with MyEcon, and also we'll look at the entire promotion amount that you're going to get. So during this Celebration 20.5 promotion, we'll just take a look at that here, okay? So FSMP, that's the FSM membership. As an affiliate, we have the ability to offer people a discounted initial membership, so they can pay a lesser amount for their first month. Instead of the $45 usual fee, we have the ability to offer our people that we're sponsoring the chance to pay $25 for their first month. And then it goes up to the normal renewal rates after that, okay? So for the $25 membership, That would be a $15 upfront commission that you earn. And then when the person renews their membership, which is going to be at the normal rate, renewal rates for the FSM membership is $40 per month. It's like $39.95, but it's like $40 per month to renew your membership. Okay. So when they do that, then they're going to see then you would see the $7.50 bonus. Now, from this, what that means that you're getting here and the amount of compensation means that the total payout is $22.50 from $25. That's 90%. Also an unheard of number. So that's amazing work that they're doing, amazing compensation that we can earn. Please, let's get you started and let's get you taking advantage of this. But let's go ahead and look at even the next one down here. The regular FSM membership is a $45 fee to get started. As I mentioned, the first month is $45. From that, you would earn a $35 upfront commission for sponsoring someone at the FSM level, plus the $7.50 bonus when they renew the next month, for a total of $42.50 or a 94.5% commission rate on that FSM membership. That's 95%, you guys. What other company is paying 95% commissions? I mean, I can't think of a single one. Not any. And I've been around with some businesses for a while, so I've done some research here, and 95%, it's unheard of. Now, looking at the other levels, the EBM level, that is a $99 enrollment, first month enrollment, is $99. From that, when you sponsor someone at the $99 level, you're paid $70 up front, and then the $750 bonus when they renew the next month. $77.50 is the payout on that. 77.5 or 78% commission on that one. And the last level that you can join MyEcon at is the ZTM, the Zingo Travel Membership. This is the international level. For people that are outside of the United States, they can join it's a $55 sign-up fee for them for their first month, and you earn a $35 commission for that. Plus the $750 renewal bonus fee, as we mentioned, and the total payout on that is $42.50 or $70.8% commission. What other company pays commissions at this rate? This is a promotion that they're running for sure, the Celebration 20.5. And so these commission rates are increased, but this is incredible, you guys. I really want you to be able to take advantage of this. Please, if you are into team building, if you want to maximize your cash flow with affiliate marketing, this is the place that you need to be. MyEcon is the best place. We do have the best payout in the industry, the best compensation plan. This is a company that takes care of its affiliates and wants them to earn as much money as possible. They are a company with integrity, and they really care about their affiliates. And unlike other companies who are getting rid of their affiliate programs or cutting the commission rates, MyEcon has increased their commission rates for this 6-month period inside of 2025 as they celebrate their 20-year being in business anniversary. And so please don't miss out on this, you guys. Let's get you started. Let's get you taking advantage of this. Don't miss out on these commissions. I wanted to remind you about all of this so that you can start taking advantage of it. As always, you can text me at my number, which is at the top of the video, or you can just click the links down in the description down below so that you can get started right away. I'm here to answer any questions for you. I'm here to help you get started, and I want to get you guys started making commissions. Can't wait to see you on the inside of this business. You're going to love it. It's going to be amazing. I hope you have a great summer. I hope you're enjoying it, and I'll see you on the next video.